Welcome back to the channel. So, we've been missing
For a while.
for a while, months,
Months.
months, almost a year. We've been missing. So, it's our first time out.
Grocery shopping.
It's been a month? Yeah, it's been a month
Accident.
since we've been inside the house. Well, me. I've been inside the house. So we're outside. We're going to the supermarket. Y'all see that? 0 degrees outside and supposed to go down. We are gonna have a snowstorm, and according to the news, the weather people, it's gonna be horrible. So we're going to the supermarket to pick up some stuff.
I tell you, I'm going to cook a big pot of soup.
Yeah, Ossie's gonna cook a big pot of soup today, so we're gonna get stuff for that as well. Um, I'm gonna post a video as to why I've been missing for 9 months, 10 months, 11. Wait, is really this buddy having no patient? None whatsoever. Yeah, so what is it? How long I've been going? I have to check and see. It's either 7 or 8 months, something like that. But it's almost a year. It's almost a year since I haven't posted anything. So, but I'll post a video explaining why, right, babe? Yeah. So, we'll see you guys when we get to the supermarket. Accident. And this car right here, that one, came from all the way behind us and overtaken, and there's accident all the way up there. So we are almost to our destination is behind us, but we are going to get breakfast at this Trinidadian restaurant, you said? No, I've never been there. Have you ever been to this restaurant?
Nope.
We've never been to this restaurant.
The one in Brooklyn, yes.
So let's see what their food tastes like. And yeah, they're open. This place right here, Caribbean cuisine. This place here. Let's see what their food tastes like. Lord help me. That yellow pie? What is this?
Hello? What's one?
Next.
That's salaroti.
I don't know. I smell the smokering for real now.
Smoking already?
I think I would eat smokering instead.
Yeah, that's it. Yeah, Friday.
Yeah. So what's that?
Pumpkin.
Oh.
This is what you want to
They cornmeal porridge?
You know.
I make my own cornmeal porridge, yes? Alright, so I got bacon saltfish for mommy, and I got bacon smokering for myself. And I was craving red belly, but they ain't on the red belly, they are currants roll, so I'm gonna take some currants roll. Babe, wait, what you call this again? John does make this. And I'm gonna try this. My sister-in-law does make it, and when she make it, I always buy in more than one. And where's this, babe? OJ, where's it?
Could you put some what do you call it? China fruit? Yeah. Yeah. You know?
Where's this?
Um, I don't know.
Oh. Look, I am asking him because we're in a Trini restaurant. He's a Trini. So I had to ask him. He should know it. You want chubby? Ew. Look there, apple J up there too. They punch a cremas in, eh? Punch a cremas. Babe, they are shadow Benny and they no pimento. Alright, so was to get Pierre Jackson. I was watching the Pierre Jackson, but this is $3. The solo, $3. And watch I go in the supermarket and I go and see the solo in the supermarket, you know, for dollar and change. But whatever. Usi got alupie. He got two alupie and he put chana inside of it. So and the people them are not gonna the Trinidadian. So we going on. Why them do this? We gonna try this food and see what it's packing over there, so and see what it's giving. Okay? Cause yeah, that's what we gonna know. We gonna try it and see. We gonna go to the African market?
After.
Okay.
I want to get my.
So we going. So this supermarket open up in Seatown. Open up in December. So we gonna try it there. Get all the Caribbean stuff instead of going to ShopRite, because ShopRite barely have Caribbean stuff. But here we go. Which one? That's all they have to be smart.
This one.
It's cool for real. Why it's cool? My only problem with this. What's my problem with this? What's my problem with this? You know me. What's my problem with this?
Bone.
No bone. You have problem with the bone.
Cabbage.
No, look properly.
The onions.
Yes.
Onion. You're gonna go and taste it.
It's not even the onion cut up big and I could see it. Okay. The food cold.
It tastes good. More.
Is it because the cold outside and I just walk outside for that 2 seconds?
Probably.
Oh my gosh. What's the afraid smoke, Karen? You lie. You don't like exactly, so you're afraid it. The bone ain't gonna do not one thing.
Yeah, bone.
Right? Just need mint and come after. What that tasting?
Try it.
Mm-hmm.
After the time, I'll keep it. I like cooking with pepper.
You didn't put no sauce on it?
Hmm?
You didn't put no sauce?
It's just good with
Nice and soft.
I just like pepper.
It tastes good. My food is cold. That's warm. That's not cold.
Mm.
It's warm. It's always cold outside.
But took 14 degrees.
Down here, up by us is 1. So we drove about, what, 20 minutes?
About 20 minutes.
About 20 minutes to this place. Well, we didn't come to go there. We're going to the supermarket.
The people after the supermarket, they have this African Caribbean
Oh,
supermarket over there. So we're gonna head over there after because there are a few things I want to pick up.
But if they have breadfruit, they can put that in the soup.
I still there, perfect.
Alright, y'all. That's our review on our food.
So
That's good. That's good. Nice and sour.
I'll come back and get us. Next time I'm gonna try the doubles.
They watched it again said, but I didn't see it. Yeah. Alright, y'all. We'll be back. So, it's my first time driving in a month. I'm only in the parking lot. I'm only in the parking lot, not even on the road. I'm trying out something. Yeah, so driving after a month, it's not that bad. I just have to worry about going in any pothole and having to scream for my belly. Because I had surgery. I had major surgery. But again, that'll be in a different video. Good. Oil?
Yeah.
What did you do? He broke the snowblower.
Mash it up people because they piss me off.
What did you do?
Nothing.
So why you had to buy oil? If you had oil.
That was the draining oil.
You said that.
I did drain the oil. So
pull up over there. Ain't nobody coming over there. Exactly. I can see you outside. Yeah, it's outside. I see outside in a whole damn month. In a whole month, I haven't been outside. Boy, park crazy. The snow blower was working perfectly fine. Then he went to mess with the snow. Oh, y'all not seeing me. Yeah, then he went to mess with the snow blower. Now the snow blower not starting. Always something with this boy, and of all times. He looked to go and do it when it's going to have a snowstorm. But guess what? He'll have to be the one to go and shovel the driveway if he don't get it fixed. Because I can't shovel, I can't lift, I can't help him. So I can't lift nothing more than 10 pounds. Not even. Because, yes, anything on a less than 10 pounds. Yeah, something like that. So I was gonna drive home, but I was like, nope. but I need to get behind the wheel and drive because I have to go back to work. As a matter of fact, I have to go on my job, and that's a distance away. So I need to get behind the wheel and drive. And if I get in a pothole, just say ow, right? And then go home and take medication. That's all. Alright, y'all. So we're home, and baby's cutting up the stuff to make the soup. Pimento. And this is the beef. This is the beef. All the beef. Wait, well, no, this is more than the one in the supermarket, and you cut it up big.
Because
When it cook down there. Alright, so that is it. We'll be back. Alright, guys. So this is the red beans. This is where he cooking red bean soup. He said he pressure cook it. He also had the pressure. I almost blew up the house. He said, because I was about to open it. When you don't cook and you don't know, the beef is inside of here. And he know I love corn, so he added corn. I don't eat banana. And I think he did potato. You did potato, babe? Huh? You did potato? Yeah. Potato in there. And he had to make sure the dumpling in there for me. You guys, soup done. I fell asleep and I didn't get to see, obviously follow Ossie to see all he put in the pot. But yeah, this is it. I'm about to go and eat. I just got up. This is it. This is it. So I have corn, beef, dumpling, carrots, and I took 2 pieces of banana. I don't like green banana, but mom always have iron, and iron. You should eat it. So yeah, we'll get rid of that first. And I don't like red beans either, but I wanted to try something different because normally we make chicken foot with smoked turkey. And a potato too. And I don't normally do potato. When he cooks soup, the meat, the corn, and dumpling, and carrots. But this time I'm gonna have to eat. Mmm. Potato melting in your mouth. Wow. No, it has kick of spice. Have water. Or so you gonna say, oh, I didn't put no pepper in there. Whatever he seasoned the beef with, have pepper. Hello? Yeah, there's a beef. Let me show you guys. Oh, that's what's left in my bowl. Beef nice and soft. Hmm. I didn't put a lot of peas in my food. I am gonna go for seconds later. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Soup lash. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. If you cook soup and you don't have corn in it, that is not soup. I love corn in my soup. Love corn in my soup. Mm-hmm. It's given. Alright, y'all. So I'm gonna go and finish my 2 pieces of corn and then go back to mommy duties. So until next time, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Stay safe, stay blessed. Peace.